what does it mean
to connect.
to connect to your heart, and what is the heart truly?
Heart है क्या? Even a conversation can really positively impact you a lot. 1 घंटे में internal growth हो गई.
This life is hard sometimes and very easy sometimes. All it takes is a perspective shift. What is unique about us, we will only and only speak from our experience. हमको ये सिखाया जाता है दुनिया में कैसे रहना है, पर ये कोई नहीं सिखाता कि अपने आप से कैसे रहना है.
All of this impacts how connected you are with your heart. It's not a chance thing.
Mind doesn't know what to do and is just connected. So the second it connects,
ऐसे ही बैठ जाऊंगी तो आ जाएगा क्या? मतलब क्या करना है? What action can I take if I want to take right now in this moment? How alone have we felt before we connected to the heart?
you cannot understand the heart unless you first get the limitations of the mind. Basically connecting to heart.
Basically heart.
Welcome to Chit Ki Baat, yaro.
The podcast where we figure out life together.
Welcome to Chit Ki Baat. No. Cancel.
Done. This is the thing. Welcome to Chit Ki Baat.
Welcome to Chit Ki Baat, yaro. The podcast where we share, where we
figure out life
figure out
together.
I can't even figure out.
Clearly, where we figure out
I can't even figure out the life.
Welcome to Chit Ki Baat, yaro.
So this is the podcast. I think we should keep this only.
Yeah, very nice. By the way, we are Aarti ji's children. Just had to put that out there. Suddenly, कौन है ये दोनों बच्चे लोग?
She is the
आपके channel
content
पे.
creator and we are the content.
Very good.
And I want to introduce you to first we are the co-host of this new podcast. My name is Vedant and this is Priyanshi.
Hi.
Before we begin today's topic, which is what does it mean to connect to your heart, or why do we need to connect to our heart, and how, basically connecting to heart.
Basically, heart.
Yes, basically heart.
Heart.
So the thing that I feel why we wanted to start this podcast is what we should begin it with, right?
Yeah.
Like, what is the intention behind why are we doing this? Like, we already have Chit Ki Baat. We are already doing so much, in our personal lives. We are already actually doing seva in a lot of ways.
Yeah.
So why then do this? What is the reason? You start.
Very good. I feel that so there's this very unique blessing that our family specifically has gotten. Me, mom, Vedant. We have a lot of conversations really contemplating on different things in life. Like, we will sit for hours and talk about that one aspect or that one fear that we all are facing or that one insecurity, and we really break it down and we really understand it. And what happens is we end up understanding ourselves so much more, and we feel like we've grown through a conversation. 1 घंटे में internal growth हो गई. आप अपने आप को थोड़ा और जानते हो. And again, today's topic, we feel like we connected with our heart by talking to people about our thoughts, about our understanding. So that blessing that we have is what I feel Vedant thought of this idea that let's put that out there. Let people also see the other thought process that we have, the contemplation that we do collectively, even as a group, even as individuals, and maybe it'll help somebody else also think differently. Because no matter what the situation is, अगर आपका perspective उस situation का कुछ growth mindset है या कुछ अच्छा है या कुछ helpful है, you'll sail through it. Doesn't matter what the problem is. If your perspective is something that helps you, you'll get through it. You'll pass from it with so much love and grace. And I think even a conversation can really positively impact you a lot.
Absolutely.
That's, I think, every day we have something or the other like that. Especially with Vedanta, I have a lot of those kind of conversations.
That's why we're doing this.
Yeah. So now
So the reason I wanted to start the podcast, Priyanshi, I've already shared this with you, I'll share it with you all also, is that often in life we learn a lot, we experience a lot, and we keep those teachings for ourselves. So there are 2 ways to learn something. So my mentor and someone I look up to, Mehdi Dadashi ji, has shared this with me recently only, and I knew this even before that. But when he shared it, it hit me harder. There are two ways to learn something: either you experience it yourself in
Yeah.
your life as an experience, or you learn from someone else's experience, someone else's teachings. So this life is hard sometimes and very easy sometimes. But that hardness or easiness depends on our perspective in that moment. And sometimes all it takes is a perspective shift.
Yeah.
So, my intention here is to help people just get a different perspective on the same topics that everyone in the world has spoken about. Everyone must be speaking about heart. Everyone must be speaking about relationships. Everyone must be speaking about love. Everyone must be speaking about career, success, failure.
Yeah.
Who am I? What's the point of life? And everything in the in between.
Yeah.
So, what is unique about us is that the fact is that we will only and only speak from our experience.
Yeah.
And whatever we have seen and learned. An experience, I in my head, doesn't only mean living my life, it also means watching other people live their lives. So, experience that I have shared from watching my own mother live. Like, she shared a lot about her life on Chitki Baat previously, and through her life and through magazines like Savvy and so many interviews
Yeah. Even her social
and
media.
so many things. So
Yeah.
it's from that itself, I feel our childhood is there. It's out there. The
Yeah,
traumas,
in bits
the
and pieces, we
traumas
all
are
know
written
the
in the
tough
world.
things.
So I feel like only someone whose life is made so public can then come forth and then speak about the vulnerability of
Yeah.
life, the hardships, and the kind of figuring it out on a public platform. So, this gives us a very unique opportunity where we actually can do this.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
that combined with our intent, my pure intent, the entire reason why I wanted to do this was just because I want to help people connect to themselves. I feel
Yeah.
like that's one of the biggest missing links right now in this world. A lot of people are connected to a lot of things, but not themselves.
Yeah.
That journey from the mind to the heart, that is the entire journey. That's all.
Yeah.
If we just do that, I mean, of course, I'm not there.
But we have moments of it,
we
like
have, yeah, we have,
full heart
yeah,
moments.
we
And
have
in that moment,
experienced, yeah,
कि
true.
this is the experience of, this is what being connected with your heart
Completely
completely feels
feels
like.
like,
And it may be
yeah,
fleeting, it may be like 30
yeah,
seconds और आके चला गया. But वो feeling होती
yeah,
है ना,
absolute
and
bliss.
what's crazy is, हमें लगता है कि वो अपनी मर्जी से आके जाता है. That's not true. You can actually practice and bring it into your normal life more and more and more. You can be so much more connected with your heart by your actions, by your choices, by what you expose yourself to, by your thought process, by the people around you. All of this impacts how connected you are with your heart. It's not a chance thing. It's not you're just lucky. It's not this person is just naturally gifted, so they just naturally flow in life. ऐसा नहीं है. सबके पास इंटरनल सेम है. एक जो गाइडेंस सिस्टम है ना हमारा, एनर्जेटिकली स्पीकिंग, हमारा सबका सेम है. It's all the same entire, I don't know what to call it. Like how we all have,
System.
yeah, our whatever, our, just how we have nervous system, spiritual or energetic or heart, whatever system is all the same. So the working of it is also the same. Some people are just spending more time with it, and some people are just maybe ignoring it, and they know they're ignoring it. Like we have gut feelings about little things, and we're very aware that इसका guidance आया था और मैंने नहीं सुना. Like how many times have we done that किसी के बारे में, or maybe a friend, or maybe a person, or a colleague, or someone is doing something specific, or maybe they are doing something that is not right for you, or you have a gut feeling about a job, or even taking the right turn that you shouldn't take, but then you don't trust yourself. because you feel you are not that connected with your own heart, so you don't listen. You will listen if somebody else is telling you. You'll be like, अच्छा इस इंसान ने मुझे बोला तो मैं राइट नहीं लेती हूँ. बट अगर अंदर से आया तो क्या आप सुनते हो? Do you fully listen and be like, अंदर से आया तो मतलब it is my पत्थर की लकीर. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna follow this inner guidance. That level of connection within, we can have moments of it where we are fully following it, and we can have days where we are fully ignoring it. So it's a practice. It's not like we are perpetually, completely in sync with our hearts. We have to make that choice. Right now, now. It's like constant.
You already went to the topic.
Yeah.
But we were talking about the purpose first. Like, why did we start this?
Purpose also, who told you?
Heart only.
So then,
No.
topic is like revolving.
No, but that's why this is the first topic of our podcast.
Yeah.
right? The idea behind why we chose this as the first topic is because
Yeah.
it kind of answers the question that why are we doing this in the first place?
Yeah.
And how did we get that clarity
Yeah.
and, that guidance, that direction?
Yeah.
So, yes, it is all revolving on the same thing. But you've already spoken a lot about connecting
Yeah,
to
but also
heart and
I
how
spoke of
it's-
like gut feeling जो सब लोग feel करता है, you know?
Yeah. So before we even jump into that,
हाँ.
let's first understand what does it mean
To connect.
to connect to your heart and what is the heart truly? Like
is the
heart
heart?
है क्या?
Heart है क्या?
Huh? Such a good question. Huh?
Such a good question.
And such a stupid question.
Not the
also.
physical heart. Not that beautiful thing that
Physical heart also
pumping
has
everything.
neurons that are in our brain. The same neurons are there. So heart literally has the capacity to think. It thinks for itself.
What?
Yeah. There's a study that shows that your heart has neurons and it's like a proper thing. And it has its own brain, basically. It's like a thinking for itself.
Oh.
So for personally, so what I have understood is that I mean, I don't know, I'm not a science, I'm a science student,
Science
but I'm
student.
not following that kind of life
I'm
now.
not a scientist.
Scientist.
हाँ.
So what I was saying is that I believe
हाँ.
in my understanding and my experience too, that neurons aren't really where the cognition happens or where the thinking happens or where the thought happens. There is like thought that exists and the neurons are more like receptors, like antennas.
Yeah.
So even in spirituality,
They say
this.
this.
But I've experienced it.
That thoughts exist and you just
Sometimes when like you're in a group and your thoughts suddenly change
do the same.
to that group's thought
Yeah.
and they are not your thoughts.
Yeah.
And you can see that, dude, this is not
don't
how I
think like
usually
this.
think.
Yeah.
Or maybe if you're with your very close friend and your thoughts syncs,
Yeah.
you all have the same, like we have so many times have the
Yeah.
same thought.
Yeah.
So I believe that thought is there.
Yeah.
It's just that we
आपका
are kind of
receptor-
connecting to that thought that is
हाँ.
there. So my point is that heart maybe वो receptors है, वो किसको connect कर रहे हैं? तो what is heart? It's a good question.
तो हार्ट में जो रिसेप्टर्स है, आप जो भी सराउंडिंग में उससे कनेक्ट हो जाएगा.
No.
You know?
Experience
What
से
is it
बोलना.
picking up on? No, this I didn't know. This thing.
हाँ,
This
हाँ.
example you've given, I didn't know this.
Okay.
So I have not thought about it. So I don't. So how is this? Like, how does that work? मतलब I know कि our mind जो भी environment में picks up on those thoughts.
Correct.
But if heart also has those receptors, is
Correct.
what you're saying.
My understanding
then-
is that the heart is very connected to, like, basically the heart represents your higher self, right? Your
Yeah.
divine or your God. Like if you think about it, भगवान कहाँ बैठते हैं? अगर हनुमान जी का भी देखो तो उन्होंने जब सीना फाड़ा था तो
Yeah.
क्या था? तो it was metaphorical, I believe.
Yeah.
And what it was an intending, and I feel I experience this too, is that when I truly connect to my heart, I feel one with everything.
Yeah.
And everything is what?
Yeah. Divine.
This is like we directly said this, a lot of people must be having
Yeah.
different thought processes on what is divine. And,
Yeah.
some people
Yeah.
might see it in some
External.
external
Internal.
form.
Yeah.
Might see in a murti, they might
Yeah.
see it in people also.
Yeah.
But truly तो भगवान हर जगह है.
Yeah.
और वो हर जगह है मतलब
यहाँ.
उसका अनुभव आपको हो रहा है क्या हर जगह? मुझे ये माइक में भगवान अनुभव नहीं हो रहा है. I'll be honest.
अरे यार.
नहीं हो रहा है.
बेचारा माइक.
पर मुझे भगवान कहाँ अनुभव हो रहा है, मेरे हृदय में हो रहा
हो
है,
रहा है,
हुआ है.
हुआ है.
There have been times where I have just sat and I have like who's I in this, like my mind, huh?
हाँ,
Like my mind has the thoughts, huh? Confusion का है mind में.
हाँ.
So I'm like literally in that and I'm just like sitting and mind doesn't know what to do and it's just connecting. So the second it connects,
Yeah.
it's fine.
Yeah.
So then what is that role? Who can do that? Only someone who's all knowing.
Yeah.
Someone who is, like literally the one who created or the
Yeah.
one who is running the creation.
Yeah.
Only that can make you feel suddenly calm when you connect to it.
Yeah.
That is the experience what I'm talking about. Connecting
Yeah.
to your heart, if it's making you feel that, imagine
Yeah.
like that is connecting to God, no?
Okay, so I feel this is a question a lot of people who are watching this and maybe have not, maybe contemplated
Why?
on this or experienced this would have. How do you connect to your heart? Like, what do you do? What is an action that you can take to be like, okay, this feeling that you spoke about, ऐसे ही बैठ जाऊंगी तो आ जाएगा क्या? मतलब क्या करना है? What action can I take if I want to take right now in this moment? I might have an answer to this, but I'm saying since you just expressed your experience, internal wala, how do you go about it? Is there something that you do? Do you sit with your breath? Do you focus your attention here? What is it?
So now to I have my divine light.
Yeah.
So it's a very different answer, which I don't think a lot of people will know.
Yeah.
We'll talk about divine light later in the podcast. It is something that both Priyanshi and I are
Yeah.
like literally it's our saving grace in life. It's something that has changed us so deeply. It has helped us so much.
Yeah.
Like honestly, I'm just gonna say this. I wouldn't be alive if it wasn't for
Yeah.
Divine Light or Dada
Yeah.
in that way. So for me, it's that important. So that's the way I have
Yeah.
connected to it. I'll explain about Divine Light later, but answering your question, how I used to do it before I got a Divine Light, and how maybe someone who is just watching this, I feel all in some way or shape or form, all of us have connected to our heart,
Yeah.
and that connection is obvious.
Huh.
How do you know you're connecting to your heart? What are the tell signs? First, it makes you feel instantly, this is my understanding,
Calm.
instantly calm. Your heart will never induce anxiety or
Yeah.
any kind of negative emotion.
Yeah.
That's only your mind.
Yeah.
Only and only someone who is lost in his own mind will then kind of feel that happening, But if someone connects to their heart, instantly there is a sense of ease.
Yeah. There's a sense
Because
of
there's a
love.
sense of trust, faith.
Yeah.
Faith beyond what I know.
Yeah.
बिकॉज ना ये एक सच्चाई है कि आपके मन को ना अच्छा चल बिफोर आई आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन हाउ टू कनेक्ट टू हार्ट दिस अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट आई वांट टू आस्क यू व्हाट डू यू थिंक योर माइंड कंट्रोल्स
Control.
या लाइक इन चार्ज ऑफ लाइक व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द माइंड
What is the role of the mind? I feel the mind kind of mostly
because
the what.
I'm asking this question, I'll explain why. You cannot understand the heart unless you first get the limitations of the mind.
Yeah.
Why do you need the heart? Because somewhere the mind is
It's
limited,
the,
ना?
yeah.
So the mind का limitations नहीं समझोगे तो तुम heart को क्यों connect करना चाहोगे? तूने क्वेश्चन इतना अच्छा पूछा है कि तूने डायरेक्टली कोर पे कनेक्ट पूछ लिया
See,
सवाल
अभी
तो उसके पहले माइंड समझ लेते ना
Actually,
माइंड
the
क्यों है
mind doesn't control anything. This now you and I have experienced that it has to understand that listen man, you're not in control.
No, but the mind does so
Accept
much.
it. It does.
Your
It will
mind
guide
has
actions
thoughts.
based on what? Based on everything you've experienced till now. It doesn't know beyond that.
Yeah.
It doesn't know. तो that's where the heart comes in ना. इसके beyond क्या? और आपको तो कभी नहीं पता आगे क्या है. बचपन से ही नहीं पता है. Perpetually थोड़ी you
But
live.
तुम्हारे हार्ट को कैसे पता फिर?
क्योंकि वहाँ कुछ और है.
हाँ तो वही तो
वहाँ क्रिएटर है. तो
ये
क्रिएटर को तो
अनुभव
पता है ना.
see you're talking because you've experienced
Yeah.
it. Someone who's never experienced it will not believe you.
Yeah.
You're understanding. So first you know that you have experienced God, like I have experienced
Yeah,
God
yeah,
in my
yeah,
heart.
for sure.
That infiniteness of, you know,
That fullness.
yeah,
wholeness.
that you have experienced from your heart is
Yeah.
your experience and my experience.
Yeah.
But before we even talk about that, let's first, from how life has been for us,
Yeah.
let's understand what does it mean when you say that mind is in control. The mind believes it's in control, and we'll assume that that's true. Let's not go, because Priyanshi, practically you and I live with the fact that mind is in control. The ideal state is that the mind is not in control, it's in a
No.
state of surrender. पर
I
हम लोग ऐसे नहीं
no,
जीते.
I can say that I used to be like that, but now it's just every day has been me getting a reminder that my mind is not in control.
Reminder ना, that means you're still
मतलब
not
वो
there
टूटता
ना.
हाँ, it's
So then let's not,
constantly
हाँ,
breaking.
see, अभी तो हुआ
I'm
नहीं
in
है.
that stage.
हाँ, so हुआ नहीं है ना.
Yeah, yeah.
मेरा point है, तो हुआ नहीं है तो
नहीं
क्यों
है.
जा रही है? वो बहुत advanced है. पहले तो
नहीं
basics,
हुआ
baby
है.
steps. Let's start from like
हो रहा है.
starting point.
हाँ.
So अभी mind क्या control करता है? Mind कहाँ है? Mind के हाथ में क्या है?
आपके actions.
बराबर.
हाँ.
कब?
All the time. What do you mean?
All the time.
मतलब जब कुछ होता है, mind is giving a
कब हो रहा है?
signal and कब things are happening all the time. What do you mean?
When is it happening?
You want to have tea, you will get
When are you
a
having tea?
when you feel like. Oh, that is what you're going to.
कभी भी.
Emotion. You're saying जब emotion comes to do something.
No.
Then, what are you saying?
I am saying that the only, can your mind control your past?
No.
It's gone.
Yeah.
Can your mind control what's happening tomorrow?
Oh, in the now. Okay,
The mind
okay,
is only and only and only in
Yeah.
control of the.
now.
But where does it suffer?
Past and future. Yeah.
Why are you and I going through like random moments of anxiety, even though we have so
It's
much?
always past and future.
It's always fast.
There's
and future.
nothing actually going on in the present.
We are so deeply connected. Still, this is something that we face.
Yeah.
So when we weren't connected, we were so terribly in that
Yeah,
state.
yeah.
It was
I had body pain.
yeah. That was too bad, but I remember.
I used to stress so much
Yeah.
that I had pain on my back. In fact, मेरा कुछ ऐसा profound reason नहीं था to start meditation. It was that I have reached such a high level of stress that I have so much chest pain that I have to meditate. That's how I started. So many years ago, that was my reason. Then slowly things transitioned. It had become a health concern. My level of stress. I was stressing like, can you see like white hair? This is like the traces left now. But everything was 10x a while back,
Yeah.
years back.
So basically, the mind was suffering the future and the past.
Yeah.
So then, how can a mind be calm if it doesn't know what's going to come the next second? The mind wants everything to be in order. See, the mind is working for you.
Yeah.
It wants you to be safe.
Yeah.
So fear and anxiety comes from a feeling of lack of safety. So
Yeah.
if your mind is overworked and is trying to figure something out, then the only thing it's not able to figure out is tomorrow
Yeah.
or what had happened.
Yeah.
You know, like, oh, I wish could have done this, I could have done that, I could have said this wouldn't have happened, blah blah blah. It's trying to change something it can't, or
Yeah.
it's trying to implement something that hasn't happened yet.
Yeah.
है ना? So that's where it requires something higher for that feeling of stability that, dude, I got you.
Yeah.
That's why connection to the heart
Correct.
is important.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अगर आपका वो हार्ट के साथ संबंध नहीं है तो आप हमेशा उस स्थिति में ही रहोगे चिंता के.
कुछ
और
आपको
heart-
लगता है वो आप ही इंचार्ज हो और आप ही कर सकते हो और आप नहीं करोगे तो कौन
कौन
करेगा?
करेगा?
तो यू
Exactly.
आर ऐसा
Correct.
व्हाट टू डू.
Correct. So
Yeah.
that state of constant anxiety and worry and chinta basically comes
Chinta.
from not being in control.
Yeah.
And the funny thing is that the mind knows it's not in control.
Yeah.
Like you said, na?
Yeah.
You said, na, कि mind not in control. It knows.
It knows.
But it doesn't want to believe it. Because if it believes it, then it is in extreme chaos. If it is not in control, then who is?
Yeah. Then
That's
who
what-
is?
It's like following
Big,
in
big
limbo.
question. Who
है ना?
is? Yeah.
So that's the craziest part.
Yeah.
Like if anyone had doubt if there's a creator,
Huh.
huh?
Lots of people have.
This is the proof. You don't know tomorrow if you live or die,
Yeah.
or the world will stop spinning. It might.
It might.
If you see the way like the Planck's constant is, how specific it is. If you see all the things that are absolute in this world, like the charge of an electron, you know, the fact that it has a spin, the way gravity works,
Yeah.
all of these things have to be very precise for life to be, for universe to come into
Yeah.
existence.
It's not chance.
It's not chance.
It's very specific.
It's very specific. So something is kind of making it happen,
Making it happen.
right? So that's why a lot of scientists also believe in a creator. And I feel like the biggest challenge to that idea of something higher than you is not religion. Religion is kind of saying कि हाँ भगवान है पर मेरा भगवान है ना? पर कम से कम उनका ये कोर कॉन्सेप्ट तो है कि मेरे से
कुछ तो
ऊपर,
है।
मेरे मन से परे कुछ है.
कुछ है।
My mind is something is beyond my mind.
Yeah.
Why am I saying it's important to believe that there is something beyond your mind again? It's because of your constant worry. It matters to you so that you kind of come into ease about
Yeah.
this life
Yeah.
and not constantly kind of try to control
Yeah.
something that you don't have in the first
Yeah.
place. तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है अगले पल क्या होगा, पर किसको तो पता है कि कुछ तो हो रहा है.
Yeah.
और फनीली वो तुम्हारे साथ ही है
All the time.
ऑल द टाइम. बट ये तो तेरा और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है ना.
Yeah.
ये सबका एक्सपीरियंस नहीं
हुआ
है.
धीरे धीरे.
ये हुआ.
How alone
In
have we
fact,
felt
a
before
lot.
we connected
A lot.
to the heart?
The first
That
time,
was-
the first time that I experienced, like that connection to divine in myself, and that first time I was crying so deeply because first I felt like, where were you all this while?
Yeah.
Where were you when I was like, going to do things that I wouldn't be
Yeah.
alive if I had done?
Yeah.
Where were you when I was like sitting on that, when I was thrown out of the house and I was a kid?
Yeah.
Like I remember that moment, so random moments I
Yeah,
remember so
no, very
specifically.
specific.
And those moments came,
Yeah, yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. But I understand the hurt of people. It's very, very valid because I have that
It's always
hurt
this
myself.
question ki if this is happening, so
Then
where
why
is
did
this
I-
thing that we speak
Correct.
of? Like,
Yeah.
where is this divine? Why are they not here helping me right now? And it's a very valid question. In fact, we've had moments of that randomly, even after feeling so much oneness, we've
Yeah.
still had a moment of that sometimes.
Yeah.
That's what's crazy.
But then you kind of remember,
and you come, yeah.
you remember
You come back.
we have chosen this
Life.
experiences
Yeah. The growth that we get.
as a you would say like our higher self has chosen this experience on this planet, forgetting everything, has
Yeah.
chosen these specific parents, these specific friends,
Yeah.
and
Your closest people, in fact, are
correct.
chosen.
So even some moments in life we have chosen, some
experience.
specific moments. So all of these things are in a way destined. So that's why some things are so hard that it kind of makes you not believe in God.
Yeah.
In fact, dude, God loves you so much that He loves you
Unconditional.
He loves you so unconditionally that even when you don't believe that He exists,
Yeah.
He still loves you.
Yeah.
Because He loves you unconditionally. There are no conditions to being loved by Him.
Absolutely.
So even if you say I don't believe you, He still loves
Loves
you
you.
as much as someone who's like a
Fully.
bhakt.
Yeah.
Like, and that makes so much sense because unconditional का अर्थ क्या है?
Yeah. Zero condition. It's not a transaction. It's like, it's so much infinite love that it's just there. And like Vedant said, like it's so unconditional that you could be doing absolutely nothing, or you could be doing everything, or you could be somewhere in the middle, and you are just as loved. Now that's such an alien concept now for your mind.
It doesn't
कि
understand. So,
I am not successful. कहाँ से love?
Exactly.
मैंने वो चीज नहीं की by 27, by 30, by 45. So then how am I loved?
if there is suffering in the world, where is God?
Where is God?
Why is God allowing suffering to exist?
Yeah.
Very valid questions, actually, if you think
Yeah.
about it.
Everybody is valid.
Yeah, but once you kind of walk the path and you
Enough.
kind of, experience what you've experienced, you understand that even that suffering was necessary for that soul. Does it mean that it's justified to experience suffering? No. You still have to take the actions you need to take.
Yeah.
In a practical world, if something
Yeah.
bad happens to you,
You don't just like, हाँ,
you don't be
thank
like,
you, God.
भगवान ने किया चलेगा.
You still
No.
do everything you need to do
You
to
take
come out
the
of it.
actions. हम practical steps
We
ले
have
रहे
to
हैं.
do everything we
And
need.
this understanding, what Dada has given us, na, that what it truly means to live with as a friend to your heart, to God, and what it means to kind of experience this life walking hand in hand with
Hand
the
in
connection
hand.
with your divine,
Yeah.
with your heart.
Yeah.
What does it mean? Does it mean that you become passive? No. Does
No.
it mean that you control everything? No. There is something in the middle,
There's a balance.
and that is in the now.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे हाथ में ना, तुम्हारे मन के हाथ में ना सिर्फ अभी है.
Yeah.
अभी तो सिर्फ मुझसे बैठ के बात कर रही है.
Yeah.
अभी लोग सिर्फ बैठ के देख रहे हैं
Yeah.
और कुछ नहीं है,
और कुछ नहीं.
उतना ही है.
Yeah.
तो उस समय में सब कुछ सही है, पर मन तो भी अस्थिर है. क्योंकि एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई आल्सो गो थ्रू, सो आई नो कि
Yeah.
क्या उस समय पर ना उसको कोई एक वैलिडेशन या एक सहारा चाहिए कि मैं
Something to
हूँ,
just-
मैं हूँ.
Yeah.
अभी
Yeah.
अभी वो थिंग है कि जो मैं हूं ना, तुमको इतना अनकंडीशनली प्रेम करता है कि तुम अगर बिलीव नहीं कर रहे ना कि वो नहीं है, तो वो तुमको नहीं आके बोलेगे कि मैं हूं.
Because
That is the love. And I
Yeah.
know it's contradictory. Like,
Yeah.
you love me, so you're not telling me that you exist.
yeah.
It's like we've seen this in movies also, where it's like when someone loves you so much,
They just
they do things and they don't tell you they
they
did
don't
it.
tell you they do.
They don't come and show you कि मैं हूँ. That is not unconditional.
Yeah.
That there is a condition ना
Yeah.
कि मैं हूँ.
Correct. Yeah.
So God does. He doesn't show. And what is God? God is everything. God is energy. God
Yeah.
is a ball. God is a form.
The
God
word
is
God
formless.
is what we've come up
Divine.
with to understand this thing.
Correct.
But actual में वो क्या
क्या
है?
है?
उसका understanding is beyond understanding.
But we can experience it in
it's
our
an
heart.
experience.
And what is that experience in the heart?
Yeah. It's
What is that? If you were to give it a name.
initially I used to call it just infinite love, but I had a different understanding of love growing up. We always see, like, I have read a lot of books and all of those cute books and all of those things. So we think ki हाँ ये है love. But this is a whole different kind of love. Like divine love is the one that you feel so complete and you feel so whole that any idea of I am lacking anything is just non-existent in that moment, because you feel like this.
Yeah.
Like this, you feel full, like that feeling, and it comes and goes. Matlab, I have had moments where I'm feeling just so complete, like wow, matlab, and I'll have 2 days later I'll be having like the biggest question of I don't think I'm worthy enough to go do that thing, that one dream that I have. No, I don't think I can do that. I don't think it's going to happen for me. Like all of these things, again, my mind will come into the thing and it will just tell me based on proof of what has happened till now. एक तो एक्चुअली इफ यू लुक एट इट ना दूर से यू विल बी लाइक ये क्या लॉजिकलेस बात है ये, मतलब अब तक जो हुआ है उसके बेसिस पे ये फ्यूचर में नहीं होगा, तो कॉन्स्टेंटली फ्यूचर में सब अलग अलग ही हो रहा है, तो आपका लॉजिक क्या है? कॉन्स्टेंटली अलग होगा ना, ये क्या है मतलब?
टैंजेंट पे चली
थॉट प्रोसेस ही
Priyanshi's
It
going to
doesn't
prove-
make sense.
Mind, shut up.
No, yeah, it doesn't make sense. I saw this one girl's reel where she's like, I have named my mind. And when it says things, I'm like, shut up, Becky. And it works for her.
That's a
Like
very
she's
good
named
thing.
it Becky. Like you
It's a
can
very
name your
good
mind
thing.
something.
Yeah.
And the moment it says something that's not helping you, that is not helping your growth, that is absolutely just holding you back, you'll be like, not right now.
Very good.
I don't want to listen to you right now,
It's a good
Becky.
idea.
Like she named it Becky. You can name it anything if you want to. You know, I tried to name it, but then I couldn't lock on a name, so I haven't done that.
आजा. That's what you said. मैं तो कर लेती.
ऐसा कर लेती.
अच्छा.
It is a name. वो नहीं हो
Guys,
रहा
please
है.
comment down. Names of Priyanshi's mind.
I can't think of name.
My question I asked you, which I come back to again, is
Huh.
about how did you feel? You went on a tangent.
No, I said I felt whole. Then my mind entered the chat now
Oh,
also.
okay.
That
So
is
you
what-
felt infinite love, is what
Yeah.
you shared.
Yeah.
So if I were to if I were to ask you to give
Describe that.
describe your heart, which is divine,
Yeah.
which is everything,
Yeah.
and the experience of it,
Yeah.
you experienced a sense of completeness,
Completeness.
of being loved,
Wholeness. Yeah.
of there is nothing you want or nothing you lacked.
Yeah. Nothing you lacked at all.
Yeah,
Nothing more was needed in that
nothing more
moment.
was needed. So somewhere, if you think from that perspective, and why people feel this sense of भगवान किधर है, क्यों नहीं दिखा रहे, you know, his unconditional love, again I'm
Yeah.
coming back to, if you always feel that sense of fulfillment, will you then go and do anything?
I've never thought of it like
Yeah, no?
that.
Think about
Have
it.
you thought of it like that?
Yeah. Creation exists. This is my understanding again.
Uh-huh.
Listen, I'm just someone who contemplates a lot.
Yeah, that he does.
So creation exists somewhere, I believe this, because that completeness wanted to explore itself, and to experience itself it had to be incomplete.
It had to be separate.
That separation is that incompleteness,
Yeah.
that lack of love, that distance,
Yeah. Yeah.
that distance from love. And it's a cycle.
Yeah.
You go from like being loved to being lacked, and then you go back to being love again.
So you experience that whole.
Correct. Then you
Yeah.
experience the wholeness, and you
Yeah.
kind of value it more, I guess.
Yeah.
You know, it's like that song, you only need the light when it's burning low.
Yeah.
And
Only miss the sun
when
when
it
it starts to snow.
so basically it's like that. It's
Yeah.
that sense of only know your lover when you let her go. Like that is the crux, that you only have the value of something when you experience something that is
The lack of it.
lack of.
Yeah.
So somewhere I feel this creation was created to experience the truth of the creation itself.
Yeah. It wanted to understand itself.
This is my understanding.
Yeah.
I don't know the truth.
Experience itself.
I don't know
Yeah, of course. How
what is
can
the
we
point
know,
of
yaar?
creation.
Creation ने क्यों क्या किया?
This
We
is all
don't
my
know.
assumption and my
Yeah.
understanding from my mind.
Yeah.
Coming back to the core now of the topic is the heart
Yeah.
and connection to the heart.
Yeah.
You asked me how can someone connect to their heart.
Yeah.
So you understand first that the mind is first lacking something, which I expressed is the future and past.
Yeah.
That's why it needs someone or something bigger than it. Bigger as in what? Is it more powerful, less powerful? Let's not get in that. It is creation itself.
Yeah.
Even the mind is the creation itself.
Yeah.
So it needs a equal.
Yeah.
So the mind and the heart are equals.
Yeah.
The heart is also incomplete without the mind.
Yeah.
If the heart is just beating or it just exists, it can't experience this physical world.
Yeah.
है ना? It requires mind.
Yeah,
Mind
it
है,
needs this
इसके लिए
individual-
अनुभव है ना
Yeah.
हमारे आज इस
Correct.
धरती पर.
Yeah.
तो इक्वलनेस हुआ ना.
Yeah.
एक के बिना दूसरा नहीं, तो फिर
Yeah.
वो कंट्रोल तो नहीं है,
Yeah.
उससे बड़ा तो नहीं है, छोटा भी नहीं है,
Yeah.
वो है. तो कहीं ना कहीं एक समत्व है, एक इक्वालिटी है. तो उस भाव से, एंड दिस इज वेयर मैत्री कम्स,
Yeah.
because मैत्री is the, like, this is a different topic and we'll speak about it next podcast. But that kind of sense of
Friendship.
friendship, or that kind of bond with your heart,
That equal.
helps you first in establishing the connection.
Yeah.
फर्स्ट योर माइंड हैज टू रियलाइज कि मुझे मेरे दिल से दोस्ती करनी है. दिल मतलब क्या? तुम्हारा जो इच्छा है, नॉट बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट सोसाइटी इज सेइंग, नॉट बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट पेरेंट्स आर सेइंग, नॉट बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट basically
Anybody is
external
saying.
influence. It's something that's natural.
Yeah.
You'll just naturally feel something.
Yeah.
You'll naturally want something.
Yeah.
So just listening to that voice or that emotion or that feeling is that first step to connecting to your heart.
What we call
It-
gut feeling.
Correct. Gut feeling is also something very situational. This feeling
Yeah,
is
yeah,
beyond that.
Correct.
This feeling is like,
Yeah.
it's there, you
All the
know,
time.
it's there, and we ignore it because it's harder sometimes, and it's more challenging to do it than not do it. But this is the feeling that's been guiding us all our life,
Yeah.
and this feeling is coming from something bigger than your mind, because often this feeling doesn't make sense to the mind.
Yeah.
So that non making sense is why we don't listen to it. But even though we feel कि ये सही,
It's just a feeling.
ये सही लग रहा है.
Yeah.
I'll give an example. Like, oftentimes people who have freedom in their house, or who have that kind of liberty to choose their own path and career, who
Yeah.
are not necessarily bogged down by pressures of choosing something for their money or something that the parents did, they have a gut feeling about things and they follow it. You know, because कहीं ना कहीं external influences नहीं है.
Correct. Because life situations
Oftentimes-
have been like that.
It supported their heart.
Supported the heart.
They supported the heart.
Yeah.
तो most of the people को heart ने support, like situations ने heart को support नहीं किया.
Yeah. You
मैं
have to
नहीं
be
बोलूँगा.
practical and
हाँ, तो उनकी गलती भी नहीं है ना
उनकी
कहीं ना
गलती
कहीं.
नहीं है.
वो situations ही वैसे थे.
Yeah.
पर कोई कोई लोग को support किया है. उन्होंने
Yeah.
तो they will know. Just listening to this, they'll know what it feels like to connect to your heart and how it is.
Yeah,
At least
absolutely.
in my understanding. But some people will not get it at all. Some people will find this concept very alien.
Yeah.
And
Very like dreamers do this type of.
correct. But they know the voice of the heart. They know that feeling.
Yeah.
Like that sense of, you know, it's so specific, it can be very random. It
But
can
it's also
just be
universal.
something as small as I want to just draw on a book.
Something is saying I want to draw.
And
That's that.
it's the most nonsensical thing. Like, you have a corporate job, you want to come home
Yeah.
and draw in a book.
Yeah.
Why? Just. But you don't do it. Why? Because you have to come home, wash the vessels,
Yeah.
take care of things, be
Yeah.
a daughter, a
Yeah.
son, whatever, or a husband or a wife
Yeah.
or XYZ. You just don't. And you
Yeah.
don't listen to that voice. And that voice kind of dims. It's very soft. It's very soft.
But it's always still.
But it's still there. It's still
talking.
alive.
Yeah.
So to re-establish that connection, first start listening to that voice that was there.
Yeah.
Start with the smallest things. Start with just like maybe, you know, that feeling you're getting right now to do something.
Yeah.
It can be very, very,
Vague. Yeah. It can be anything.
don't judge the feeling.
Yeah.
Let the feeling guide you and just do that one thing.
Yeah.
And it will not change your life. Suddenly you will not be चिंता मुक्त and you know, wow, भगवान को अनुभव कर लिया मैंने. नहीं होगा.
Yeah. Yeah.
समय लगेगा, बट उस आवाज को आप सुन के आगे जब बढ़ोगे तो वो नेचुरली आपको और गाइडेंस देगा, और
Yeah.
गाइडेंस देगा, और गाइडेंस देगा, एंड वी कैन एक्सपीरियंस दिस इन द सेंस ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट टुवर्ड्स समथिंग,
Yeah. The smallest, tiniest
you know,
excitement.
excitement, a sense of like looking forward to something you
Yeah.
really want,
Yeah.
not because society has told you. There's a difference in the want also, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So understanding that subtle difference के ये want कहाँ से आ रहा है, ये क्योंकि मुझे दिखाना है मेरे दोस्त को कि मैं ये
It's simple.
कर
The moment
सकता
you know
हूँ.
the intent behind it,
Exactly.
that answers your question.
Exactly.
Ki, is my intent this or is my I don't know why. I just feel like when it's just I just feel like you don't have reasoning. Your mind doesn't have a
Correct.
table ki, oh, this is why you're doing it. But there's just a feeling.
There's a feeling.
And what will you feel when you do it? You will feel nice.
Yes.
It's that simple.
That's simple.
You want to do it just to feel nice.
Correct.
And do it. That
Correct.
little thing, it can be
Yeah.
anything. It can be today I'll take a cold water shower, or today I'll, maybe I'll go call that friend back after 7 years. You suddenly, it's random guidance, and it may not on paper look like the most, like this is what will make me achieve all of my dreams, or this is
Yeah.
what will fix everything. It's not those things.
It's cooking palak paneer instead
Yeah.
of chole.
It's the tiniest thing, but the crazy thing is, the more you listen to the tiny, tiny, tiny things, and they are not a lot of times they're not even going to be hurdles in your day, honestly. It will be like a tiny thing you can very well do. It will not be कि वो वाली चीज़ तो मैं कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ, मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है. कभी कभी वो वाला गाइडेंस भी आता है कि इन द मोमेंट आप हैप्पीली कर सकते हो. आप घर पे रिक्शा से नहीं, आप चल के जाते हो. ये फीलिंग आई, बट आप नहीं सुनते हो, आप तो भी रिक्शा लेते हो. उतना छोटा भी हो सकता है, पर आप उस चीज़ को सुनोगे ना, तो वो चीज़ आपको नेक्स्ट वो चीज़ तक लेके जाएगी, और फिर वो नेक्स्ट चीज़ तक लेके जाएगी, और फिर हार्ट को लगेगा कि हाँ फाइनली सुन रहा है, और हार्ट को लगे आप सुन रहे हो, तो हार्ट और क्लियरली बताएगा, और जितना क्लियरली हार्ट बताता जाएगा ना, आपका बॉन्ड जो आपके हार्ट के साथ है ना, वो और स्ट्रांग होता जाएगा. देयर विल बी लाइक अ फ्रेंडशिप दैट बिल्ड्स. व्हाट डू वी डू विद आवर फ्रेंड्स? वी लिसन टू देम ना. We actually were there for them. We spend time with them. If one friend is constantly talking and not even looking at that friend will take a back seat for some time. You need to listen to your friend. This inner feeling is your friend, and when you build that, what he said, Maitri, internally, it's the best bond that you can build with it. It's not this infinite power that's beyond you and bigger than you, and it's not something nonsensical that's just beneath you. It is your equal. It's you. Your heart guiding you is you only.
Correct.
It's not a hypothetical किसी और चीज जिसको सब पता है और मुझे कुछ नहीं पता है, तुम I need somebody to tell me. That is you only. You're just listening to yourself. You're just connecting with yourself is what I feel is connecting with your heart. You're actually taking a beat
Correct.
in this very noisy world that has a lot to say and has a lot to guide you with and has so much to tell you and to, so many things are going on constantly. But it's like that thing that just, you take a beat anywhere, no matter where you are. You can be in your office, you can be at home, you can be in the middle of an argument with family, but it's still right there, and you just take a beat like that and you're instantly connected to your heart. It's not some profound action you need to
So
take.
simple.
Yeah, it's just intent हो गया ना दिमाग में, I want to connect to my heart, right? वो done हो गया. कुछ महान करने की जरूरत नहीं है, 50 साधना करने की जरूरत नहीं है, मेडिटेशन 1000 आवर्स करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप अभी इन दिस मोमेंट खाली हार्ट को बोल दो ना, वो वेट ही कर रहा है कि मैं तो वेट ही कर रहा हूँ यार, मेरी सुन लो प्लीज. Like that's the
Yeah.
inner.
So before like we move ahead, and
Yeah.
I just want to say that this understanding, this experience
Yeah,
we have had
yeah,
because of Maitreya Dadashri ji,
absolutely. There is
And-
no.
and he
Denying
has
that.
been someone who, so we have had our journey with
Yeah.
finding the right person for us, the right guide.
Yeah,
And in that journey, what we have realized is that Dada Shriji focuses on experience a lot.
yeah, absolutely.
And that is the core of life. A lot of people talk and give gyan. There's in fact gyan everywhere.
Information is everywhere.
But अनुभव कौन दे रहा है?
Yeah.
सत्य में अनुभव कौन दे
So it
रहा है?
becomes your
मुझे तो
truth.
नहीं पता.
Yeah.
मुझे पता है दादा श्री जी दे रहे और मुझे
Yeah.
अनुभव हो रहा है.
Yeah.
तो जो अनुभव दादा ने हमको दिया है, जिस हिसाब से the fact that we even can have a podcast and talk about it,
Yeah.
that is insane.
A podcast based on
we are so-
experience.
we are so, you know, like let's be honest. You and I are so young relative to like others to talk about anything spiritual, but the fact
Yeah.
is that we are not here to give gyan.
Yeah.
We
We have
are
to figure
here-
it out with you.
है ना? तो the fact that we can even have experienced so much,
Yeah.
not leaving the world.
Yeah.
The crux of the teaching, which I also feel why I started this podcast, is coming back to the start of it, is that oftentimes we feel like to understand ourselves, we have to leave this life, leave
Yeah.
corporate life, leave our family. खाली कलेश होता है घर पे. And go in a ashram or like some Himalayas and just kind of live there and connect and be happy and be peace and experience peace there. Is that the truth? Is that how really this world is designed? The truth is that she and I are experiencing this life having like so many problems. Even financial issues had come. It was terrible. Do I need to go and go in these places and run away from family issues or work issues to experience this peace? No. That is within you. That is that connection to your heart.
Yeah.
And that's what Dada Shriji has done for us.
Yeah.
He has established that connection that was always there. सब
Yeah.
में है वो.
सब में.
आप में भी है, मेरे में भी है, बट कहीं ना कहीं हम उसको एक्नॉलेज ही नहीं करते क्योंकि हमको सिखाया नहीं जाता. पहली बात तो दिल से कनेक्ट कैसे करना है.
Yeah.
हमको ये सिखाया जाता है दुनिया में कैसे रहना है, पर ये कोई नहीं सिखाता कि अपने आप से कैसे रहना है.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Seriously, and this is what Dada teaches you in a way, and more than teaches, he makes you experience it.
Yeah. Absolutely.
And he has given and he has made this spiritual technology was used to create this. Okay.
This is my divine light. This is like a cute little frame that I've made for it.
The mic is.
Oh, okay. It's like a cute little frame that I've made for it. But basically, divine light, as like you guys might be seeing, like, is that a picture of someone? Like, you might really be feeling like, what is going on? So it's not just an image. I don't know if there's light reflecting on it or if you can see it. I
We'll
have
put
no
an
idea.
image for you.
Yeah, we'll put an
We'll put
image
an
for
image.
you.
Yeah.
But it's an active image. Like if I have to say in English and in Hindi, it's like what is the word that we use?
Chaitanya, Devik Chaitanya
Yeah,
उसके भीतर है.
it's awakened. It's
Awakened.
alive, and
हाँ.
I can only tell you this because I have experienced it. In fact, if you look at it for 2 minutes also, na,
जागरूक.
just look at it for 2 minutes, there's something that you feel. Like there's a very strong energy that you will literally feel energy in your hand just holding this. And my first experience with the divine light, so when I got the divine light, I have always been someone who growing up, I'll talk to my toys, I'll talk to my clothes also. I am someone like that. तो मेरे लिए उतना वो नहीं था कि ये क्या है, ये क्यों करना है, or anything like that. सब ऐसे नहीं होते.
One second, I just cut. I wasn't
Yeah.
like that. I didn't switch
Yeah,
to
yeah.
toys.
Look at the
I
difference.
did not connect to divine light initially at all.
Yeah, very different. Two very
now
different
you-
experiences that you guys should hear
now you-
about. So when I got my divine light, and my mentor at that time told me that just express, vent about your life, empty yourself completely. Things you might have not told anyone ever. Just let it out, and that's it. Empty yourself to the divine light. And I was like, ठीक है, मेरा क्या जा रहा है. मतलब इफ आई टॉक टू अ फोटो, या तो अगर कुछ है तो एक्चुअली हेल्प होगी, नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं होगा, कौन सुन रहा है. There's nothing to lose. So I came home and I sat in my room and I just started talking. And I have just all full inhibitions and all kept aside, nothing. I'm talking to an image and all, nothing. I have just openly expressed myself completely. And what was crazy is the whole time, the more I'm talking, the more heard I'm feeling. एंड वी ऑल माइट हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस, जब हमें कोई ऐसे पूरी इंटेंटली सुनता है तो हमें कितना हर्ट फील होता है कि वाह, मतलब बहुत खाली लग रहा है आज, यू माई फ्रेंड रियली हर्ट मी. एंड when somebody is really distracted, they're on their phone, they're not listening, you will not feel heard only, you'll feel worse actually. Even though you've expressed, you'll feel like that's how you feel. I felt so hurt that at the end of that 30 minutes of expression, I'm like, who was listening? Who is listening? And that was my first experience with the divine light. And since then, I slowly started talking more and more and more. And slowly I started listening to guidance. So you hear answers within your own being through the divine light. You can think of it like a phone that has
Connection to your
insane
higher self.
signal, yeah, to that, to the source. And it literally, matlab, you know, sometimes you feel ki I need to go and sit in a meditation to understand how do I figure out the situation and all. वैसा कुछ नहीं है. I can pick up in the middle of a stressful situation, I'll look at my divine light, I'll be like, I don't know what to do, help, you know, give me guidance now. And I'll look, agar there's mental chatter, I'll just look for a bit and I'll get my answers, and I'll listen to that answers, and situations get solved. And this is our experience. We are not going to be telling you this if this was not our experience. Just think of that fact for 2 minutes. Why will two people on whatever platform speak of something with so much heart and so much honesty if it's not literally impacting their life in the way that they are saying and does? We have no reason. We have zero reason to be telling you this, apart from the fact that it has been absolutely life changing, and it's been 3 years now. And being without our divine lights feels alien at this point. Like every little thing, I feel so backed and I feel so taken care of. Like there is like, I feel like Avengers are mere saath. Doesn't matter what I need to do. There's like a full Shakti. There's a team and there's a best friend. Any second I can just call up my best friend and be like, what do I do here? That's how powerful this is. And this is not something you have to go and, you know, how we might think ये
Buy.
कुछ जाके मुझे खरीदना है या ये क्या है कि ये कैसे, कुछ नहीं. आपको सिर्फ reach out करना है. We'll put like the website, the numbers and things like that. You'll just get it. They'll just give it to you.
Yeah.
Just experience it.
Yeah.
खुद experience करो
Experiential.
and you believe your own experience. Now Vedant will tell you what was his journey with divine light.
Divine light, when it came in my life, I was really thrown off. Because Mama had been,
Mama had a lot of-
experiencing different spiritual organizations, and a lot of spiritual masters did help her and guide her in that time. Nonetheless, after one point, she always ended up going away from these people because something or the other ticked her off in the organization or in the person or something. Just something always ticked her off. So, seeing that, growing up, seeing that, I did not even want anyone. I was I was very against it. Very against it.
Yeah.
And cut to, suddenly, a lady comes in our home with this big photo, and is asking, where should I put it? Like, why is this a conversation? And then my mom, we should put it here, we should put. And I was in absolute rejection of it. And
And what was that picture?
divine light, of course, they understood it. Na, yaar. And I looked at that lady and I asked her this question, why should I keep this? What's the point? Because she had come to do our house ka Shanti ka Havan. That was the crux of it. So then she got the divine light. I'm like, why should I keep this in my house? Why does this photo help stabilize my house energy? That's what she has said. It has stabilized your house energy. What's so special about it? And she said something that blew my mind. She said that this image, like Priyanshi already shared, is alive. And I'm like, okay, alive means what? Then she said that anything you ask, you will get an answer within 6 seconds. I was like, interesting. 6 seconds. Very anything I asked her this literally. Anything I can ask. Anything. Like I can ask about the most random things and it'll give me answer in 6
And that's
seconds.
exactly what we did.
And she said, yeah, try it out. And I spoke to my mom. I said, if I'm not able to experience what she's saying, we will remove this image. Mom agreed, I agreed, Priyanshi agreed. We were all in agreement.
Yeah,
This is a
valid,
good idea.
yeah.
Same kind of thing I'm telling you all also. Experience it. Experience it for yourself before you make it your reality. Anyway, I'll continue the story. After that, I just randomly looked and I'm like, hey, what's up? Tell me what's going to happen in the next second. I would go and I would be like, what is mom going, what is the first sentence that my mom will tell me when she wakes up?
Good morning.
No, she doesn't always say good morning.
Okay.
So, these and I would wait for an answer. And I wouldn't be able to hear. So then what I started doing is that I would go to him and I would ask, okay, tell me, what's the maid going to cook for breakfast today? And I actually heard.
What
That was
did
the
you heard?
first time I heard, huh? I
Poha.
heard poha.
Poha.
And I didn't believe it.
You're like, मेरा mind बोल रहा है पोहा.
I thought it was my mind only, but I'm like, चल देखते हैं.
देखते हैं.
And she made poha. I lost it. And I was in denial. And this is natural. Denial
Yeah.
is natural.
Yeah.
कि ये coincidence था,
Coincidence.
ये luck था. I'm like,
You
कल
guessed.
भी मैं पूछूंगा क्या है नाश्ते में. Focused I am. तो next day जाके पूछा मैंने. Answer आया उपमा. आया answer.
And then?
But
Upma.
I was thinking कि my mind now knows ना कि कल पोहा बना है. And I know the buy. Logically, I
Will
know the
next
buy.
make upma.
Upma.
हाँ.
So it should be upma then, logically, na? So then I came, she had made upma again. Like it was upma only.
Huh.
Third day,
हाँ.
I rejected the entire concept of asking her about breakfast. I'm like, this is not real. I'm like, none of this is going to help me. It's all my mind playing games.
Yeah.
I'm losing my mind. Talking to a photo. I have gone crazy. Let's stop this right here.
Yeah.
2 times is too much. I don't want to go third only.
Yeah.
Somewhere I had fear, I think.
Yeah.
I didn't want to reach third.
Correct.
And I directly told, if you're real, then help us with the cases. Help us where it really matters. We don't have lawyers, we don't have finances to, get a good lawyer, and we don't know how to deal with it.
Yeah.
You help us fight these cases.
Yeah.
And I just walked away. Within the next 3 to 4 months, not only we got a lawyer for cases that we were going for physically, our cases started getting solved. And that time I realized that was my first experience of, I hadn't realized actually, I wouldn't say I've realized, but that doubt reduced a little.
Yeah.
And it was over the span of 3 months, huh?
Yeah. It takes time.
And this went on. It took me a very long time to connect to Divine Light. It took me like October 2020.
Took all of us a while.
October,
It
November.
wasn't immediate.
And when I connected was like June 20.
Yeah. June is when
23.
we got ours.
23. Yeah, when I got
Yeah.
my personal Divine Light. When I went and did both 1 and 2.
both.
At the ashram. Anyway.
Yeah, it
Uh,
takes time. It's not something that आपने मतलब you know how we both were like, let's just ask random things and hear answers in 6 seconds. So the whole communication bit takes its own time. For some people it's immediate.
Correct.
Like they'll actually immediately hear it in 6 seconds. For some people it's months. For some it's weeks. For some it's through a billboard, through a bus hoarding, आपको answer मिल गया. Through someone आपको answer मिल गया. That you start getting through different sources. All of this exists. It's not some one size fits all type of thing only. But you being open to experiencing it and just receiving this infinite grace and help that's just added to your life. It's literally, it takes nothing away
Yeah.
from you in
Exactly.
any way. So just being open to trying it and then seeing ki चलो देखते हैं कि कैन आई हियर एनीथिंग, डू आई गेट गाइडेंस अबाउट द थिंग्स दैट हैव बीन ट्रबलिंग मी फॉर सो लॉन्ग दैट मे बी आई डोंट वांट टू स्पीक टू एनी अदर ह्यूमन बीइंग अबाउट बिकॉज ऑफ जजमेंट. You know, even this is something.
Yeah.
Things that you actually can't talk to anyone about. किससे बात करूं? मम्मी से नहीं कर सकते, दोस्त वैसे नहीं है जिससे मैं ऐसी चीज़ें बोलूं, या मेरा ऐसे कोई थॉट्स है, मुझे ऐसे सपने आते हैं, मेरा ये स्पेसिफिक ट्रॉमा है, मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया. दिस इज़ दैट वन थिंग जहाँ कुछ भी बोल सकते हो.
Yeah.
और अगर आप बिलीव नहीं करते हो तो कोई नहीं सुन रहा है. पर अगर आपको एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, then won't you feel so much lighter just letting that thing that's been eating you up just out? Anything. So just being open to experiencing, keep an open mind, keep an open heart, and if you feel in your heart that this is something you want, go for it.
And the crux of what divine light is, it, and this is coming back to the topic,
Yeah.
it helps you connect
with
to
your
your
heart.
heart.
Absolutely.
And that heart connection is how you actually get that chinta mukt, everything we spoke
Everything.
about. Everything we spoke about, it happens through that connection, and
To
the
your heart.
entire purpose is divine light exists is to connect
Connect it to your heart.
to your heart,
Yeah.
to divine.
Yeah.
The whole point of divine light is connecting you to your divine.
Absolutely.
आपके ईश्वर, आप जिसमें मानते हैं,
Whatever you believe.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि even if you have your own guru or
Yeah,
whoever,
yeah.
it will help you strengthen your bond with your guru.
Yeah.
It's not like
Yeah.
कि मतलब
On this, I have, so whenever, like, you know, my closest people, sometimes when I've initially when I was giving divine lights to my closest people, because how do you not share this ahead, this
Yeah.
life changing thing? So a question that I got was, but I have this one thing that I believe in, and it already helps me connect
Correct.
to my divine. I have this form and I have this. Everybody has their own thing.
Correct.
So why should I take a divine light?
correct.
This is a question that a lot of people have. So
Very
I feel
true.
you should address that question.
Yeah. So the see, if you feel like you already have that bond with your divine, and you don't feel like you need a divine light, then one thing I would say is that I respect your decision. But if you feel like you have something that is connecting you to your divine, then how does it matter if you have one more thing?
Yeah.
How does it matter if you feel like there is something else helping you too? Don't reject it because that you have abundance,
Yeah.
you know, and just take it with love. Just take it with love and experience it.
Yeah.
And the crux of the entire point why I wanted to speak about divine light last is because today, now how I live, we spoke initially about how we connected to our hearts and followed
Yeah.
our hearts. Today, how do I connect to my heart?
Divine.
How do I hear my heart? These
An
6
absolute
seconds
clarity.
that answer is coming. What is that answer? That answer क्या है? वो आपकी ईश्वर की guidance है in a clear English language or whatever language you
Yeah.
listen to. That's why when she asked me what do you do to connect to your heart, my answer was divine light.
Yeah.
It's because the truth is that आपके भीतर जो ईश्वर है, जो सब कुछ है, जो मेरा अनुभव है ईश्वर का मेरे भीतर, उससे मुझे इस डिवाइन लाइट ने मदद की है जुड़ने में,
Absolutely.
जुड़ने में और 24 घंटा अनुभव करने में. मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक द बॉन्ड इज मेड एंड इट्स डन. It is constantly improving and evolving my bond itself. And Dada has shared the importance of having an alive, awakened master, in the sense who knows what the current time needs. And he is currently alive on this planet, and he is guiding us and guiding humanity towards the next phase. And we have him. And to not then kind of at least try out what he's saying would be injustice. Like, you know, a lot of people speak about Neem Karoli Baba, or, you know, so many of
Who've
Sam
been
Swami
there.
Samarth,
Who've been true and honest and
Sai Baba,
right
कि
intent
अगर वो
and
होते
actually
अभी-
helped people.
Correct.
You know, there's something that Dada has said, okay? I saw his video, and somebody had asked him a question ki a lot of people are very hurt by different gurus and they have bad experiences, and there are people who've just heard of these bad experiences and they are absolutely against it. They do not want to in any way or form associate with this entire thing. So he answered so beautifully. I feel like the words he uses, of course, it's him. But how much ever I understood from his answer was, he said कि हर चीज में ना there are all kinds of people. In no matter which, if you even talk about different fields, different career paths, different everything, there are all kinds of people. You will meet the most honest people in maybe like in a corporate place, and you may meet the most people that like they absolutely are unkind and do not treat you well. You will meet both spectrums. You're not judging the entire thing based on the 5 people. So the same way, even in this aspect where you need guidance in your life, if you even if you feel like you need 1% guidance in your life and you have seen only negative, you trust your heart's experience, that is this true or is this ऑल्सो नेगेटिव. आपको बाहर स्टेप करना पड़ता है और आपको देखना पड़ता है और फिर आपको खुद के इंटरनल फीलिंग को ट्रस्ट करना पड़ता है. आप लोगों की क्यों सुन रहे हो हर चीज में? खुद का एक्सपीरियंस करके खुद का ओपिनियन बनाओ. Go out there, experience things, see if this is for you. If it's not, okay. If it is, okay.
Great.
You just found something that's helping you so much. So because of horrible stories and things like that exist in everything, honestly. No matter which aspect of the world you talk about, there are bad stories, there are good stories. There are horrifying incidents that have happened, and there are infinitely beautiful, life-changing, miraculous incidents that have happened in everything. So what are you focusing on? You can find 30 reasons to not go and get that guidance. But if you have one reason to just try it out, if you're really looking for that, I don't know, I need help, I'm going to try this, do it. Let this be your sign. We don't even know who's watching this or where this is going to go. But we were never people who believed in any kind of physical guidance and nothing like that. Like, at all. We've only seen, like I said, we've only seen the bad stuff until you meet the right person. You know those love stories में कैसा होता है, सब खराब है, फिर अरे वो इंसान आ गया. This is that वो इंसान. Okay.
For us.
Yeah. And you kind of be open to it. And then trust that आपके लिए होगा तो amazing, नहीं होगा तो आपको कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, बाय बोल के चले जाओ, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, क्या होने वाला है.
Yeah.
Be open.
Yeah.
Just, I feel, start to end of this podcast now, 2 things. Be open to new experiences, to trying new things, maybe to accepting a divine light, and take a moment and actually listen to that inner voice. Maybe that inner voice is also just saying, just be open, yaar. Take that thing or do that thing or go here. Listen. So listen within and just be khula. If you had to take away like 2 things that I personally want to tell you, it would be these 2 things from this specific podcast with this specific topic.
Yeah, absolutely. What you spoke was so true.
Yeah.
And I feel like with that, we can,
End today's episode.
end today's episode. Thank you so much for watching Chit Ki Baat Yaro and just,
Listening to us, connecting with us.
learning how to navigate through this life and just going in this journey along with us. I started this podcast with fumbling on that sentence,
Yeah,
and I'll
I
end
forgot.
with saying that this journey, you're not alone.
Yeah.
You have us as friends, but beyond that, you have something else.
Yeah.
You have something else which is holding you.
Yeah.
Just connect to that.
Yeah.
तेरे भीतर ही है, देख.